The Owl with Glasses. There was an Alif Nagar village in a jungle. Many animals lived in that village. One of these animals was also the owl of Alif Nagar. He was very sad nowadays because he was not able to see properly. "Brother Owl, I think you are going blind," Popo Panda told him one day when he saw him opening and shutting his eyes. The owl was even more scared. No, I'm only sleepy. This is why I keep opening and shutting my eyes," the owl lied and flew off the tree. What else could he have done? He had just sat on the next tree when smart Hud came to him. "Brother Owl, what is worrying you?" he asked. "I am not able to see properly. I cannot count the stars, or the leaves, or the seeds of the pomegranate. The yellow mango appears white to me and the white eggs look like mangoes," the owl sadly told him his problem. "Why don't you go to Dr. Billu Kitten's clinic and get a pair of glasses?" Smart Hud advised him. The owl was happy. He wondered why he had not thought of that before. As the owl flew the next morning, he saw Dr. Billu Kitten sitting on a park bench. He was reading a newspaper. The owl told Dr. Billu Kitten his problem and he gave him a pair of glasses. "Wow! This is wonderful! I can see everything clear and large now," the owl shouted happily after putting on the glasses. "Here, Brother Owl, read this newspaper and read it every day." Dr. Billu Kitten handed him the English newspaper. As soon as he returned, Baby Ducky was the first to see the glasses on his eyes. The owl's eyes were looking even rounder and larger through the lenses of the glasses. "Wow, Brother Owl! These spectacles are looking very nice on your eyes. You look intelligent with the glasses," Baby Ducky praised him and he was very happy. That day all the animals of Alif Nagar talked only about the owl's new glasses. There was so much talk, and so much talk, that the owl started to be called Owl with Glasses. The owl with glasses now sits on the tree all day and reads the English newspaper. He thinks he is more intelligent than anyone else. And yes, his eyes have gotten even rounder and larger than before.